Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, my friends and family worldwide. First, I would like to thank you for all the healthcare worker who been worked so hard to save our nation from the COVID-19. Also, I'd like to thank you for our friends and who working in the grocery stores to save us. And today is I'm going to make it homemade chicken burrito. And first I would like to this one the onion, tomato and green onion and small ginger here, and also green beans for vegetables and chicken. Let me just take this chicken, and this one I'm going to cut later small and I'm going to stir fry. Besides that, I also have to make salsa, so homemade salsa from fresh everything here, and I hope that you can see. And tortilla, soft tortilla. This is 2 tortilla, and for this chicken we can make 2 or to 4 people who can I can serve from this one. We have also cheese, and we have salt and also olive oil. I'm going to use it. All right, thank you very much. Okay, now I'm cutting the ginger. Okay, on your hand. I didn't put all of them, I just put little, half of this. Okay, so let's cut the onion. You're gonna cut onion just too big, just small. Okay. Alright, okay, I'm back. I say for salsa, I have 2 tomatoes, and then I have also a little bit jalapeno here. I just cut a little bit, I cut already. And then cilantro. Normally you have, for salsa, we have cilantro. And oh yeah, the onion I've been cut already. I took some from the whole onion and just cut here. And like I said, so I'm going to continue to cut this. So I'm gonna have a nice, you can make small. Like I say, you can, if you have a salsa maker, you can use that salsa maker because they are immediately soft. But I like cut like this small. Okay. So I finished make the salsa from fresh, 2 tomatoes and little bit onion from the sweet onion from the onion for the stir fry. I cut some a little bit, and also cilantro and jalapeno, and I put salt already, so you have to put salt to taste. Okay, and I cut this already onion to stir fry with the chicken, and I cut also 1 tomato medium for this one, and also ginger and green onion later, and everything is been done, and also green beans for the stir fry chicken. I finished cut the chicken to stir fry. So now I'm ready to stir fry the chicken, and I put 1/3 cup of olive oil, and I add little bit more, so more oil. Now you add garlic fresh. This is only small, so I'll make 2 of them. And the second. Okay. Normally you can also put garlic powder, but I like to use the fresh one. It smells better and more healthier. Okay, now I put the chicken. It's been cut small. In order to make that chicken burrito, you have to cut small, so it'll be nice. Remember to stir all the time. And now let's add the tomato. Okay, let's separate it here. While the tomato is being soft, okay, so mixing them like this. Remember to add salt. It will be perfect like that. So in order to have complete vegetables, see, that's why I add green bean. See that? For 4 minutes will be done this one. Just add a little bit water, just a little bit. See this, I make it. That's it. Remember to taste, to salt to taste, and this will be perfect. So now I'm going to put the green bean. If you think that it's not, the chicken is white, you can add more a little before I finish. Put more turmeric. Alright, this has been done. I just cooked this between 8 to 10 minutes. This stir-fried chicken, and here is the things. Okay, and then I finished salsa. I make my own salsa, like I say. So all this I make it, everything is already here. So shortly I'm going to make it the, I already have tortilla, and I'm going to make it the homemade chicken burrito. In order to make homemade chicken burrito, you have to have also, mild cheddar cheese or any cheese, basically shredded cheese, in order to seal the burrito later. Okay, my rice has been done, because I'm going to make a chicken burrito with rice. So I'm gonna put this here. This is for 2 people, but the chicken basically you can make for 4 people or 5 people. Okay, I already mixing the chicken stir fry with my rice, and I mix like this. Will be nice mix thoroughly. Normally, like in the restaurant, like a chipotle, sometimes not mixing everything. But this one, that's the reason I have to say homemade chicken burrito. It's all mix everything. And now I'm ready to make it my burrito. Okay. So now I'm started to put the burrito in the fry pan, and then you can, the reason why I do it in fry pan, later on it's crispy, and so I can put now, and then you switch also like this, and then once we switch, you start to put the mixing rice and chicken. Okay. While you do that, you can put the cheese. The reason I will this cheese is not for the on the top of the mixing rice and chicken, but to seal the burrito together, so we can seal together. But here we can have that open a little bit. Now you can flip this rice now, because since like already crunchy a little bit. Okay, that's exactly we want it, just like that. You see that? So the cheese is for, by the way, the cheese is for to seal from the bottom here to the end. And now we can turn off, because we make only 2 of them, and then I'm gonna put that to the plates. So let's see the result. Here we go. I just finished cook the homemade chicken burrito, and this is the result. And this is also the salsa. I just make it, so everything fresh, and the chicken also fresh. And if you do not want actually to make like this burrito, homemade chicken burrito, you can just eat this stir-fried chicken with rice, and then you can also have this, the same thing. Okay, the way you're gonna eat it, the reason why I didn't seal from the top, so you can put the salsa from here and you try to have it. Okay, so that's the way you eat. You make it a homemade chicken burrito. You stir fry first the chicken, and then you make your own salsa. But this one, the tortilla, you bought it. You know, I don't make my own tortilla. I put it together like this, and that's really tasty. And the reason why I didn't seal from the bottom, from the top, actually, so you can put the salsa just like this all the time. You know, you can put it in and you eat. You know. So I hope you can make like this, and I hope you enjoy and to make while you at home homemade chicken burrito. And thank you very much. And then I hope that you enjoy LCC travel vlog, and bon appetit. Bye bye.